Hi all, today I'm going to do a review on my Chanel wallet here. This one is called Chanel Small Wallet. Mine is in black caviar leather with silver hardware. I just got it maybe around 2 months ago. I don't remember exactly, but let's start with this wallet. I will leave the style number after this. I screenshot from my receipt because the number is very long. Just in case you want to know. Okay, and now let's start with the dimension. It's around 4.5 inches in width, 4 inches in height, and the depth is around 1 inch. This wallet looks like this. It's like a 3/4 wallet. It's the small size. The size is like between the full size wallet and the compact wallet, and it opens like this. This button here has the details with Chanel Paris embossed on it, which is very cute. And on the back here is the silver button with Chanel in silver stamp on it, and the inside lining is leather in burgundy color. Not all leather, this part here and here, and also over here is fabric lining, but other than that it's all leather. This inside features 6 card slip and 1 slip pocket here, which I use for my bills. Also the front pocket here I can use for my bills also, but I usually use it for my voucher or something like that, so I won't forget to use them. And on the back side here is the zipper compartment. Inside also the burgundy lining in fabric. I used to store my coins in here. I cannot fit my cards in back pocket here, so just for your information. So before I bought this wallet, I have been looking for the review on YouTube on this wallet, but I found very few of it. I hope my review will help if you are considered to buy this one. So now let's fill this wallet up, and here is the paper that I cut into my bill size, which I usually put in here. And over here in the front slip pocket here, let's say I will put my voucher or anything like that, so I won't forget. I put them here. And the card slip pocket here is very generous size, and I love it because it's horizontal. I love the horizontal rather than the vertical one, because when the card slot is horizontal, it makes the wallet shape more even, if that makes sense. So let me fill it up. Okay. 3 cards over here, and this is just the blank cards, but the size of regular cards like your credit card or debit card. And oops, here and here. You can double the cards on every card slip here, but I don't do that. But let me show you. We can double it, even triple it, because it has the very generous size here, but I don't do that. Usually if I have extra cards, I put them over here and over here, so the shape will stay nice. And on the back pocket here I can fit like 10 coins. Usually I don't put too much because I don't want to stretch this pocket too much or make it look too fat, if that makes sense. Okay, so it's around 10 coins here. So it looks nice and everything looks even. The shape looks good and I love it this way. But one thing, if I bring too many cash with me, because where I live we usually use more cash than cards, so I found out that when I bring too many cash, too many paper in here, maybe I put some receipt or anything like that. Okay, and I close it. You can see that the leather is starting to get wavy. Okay, maybe for some people it's not a problem, but for me it is, because over time the shape will ruin and I don't want that. So I am very mindful to put bills in here, to put not to put too many bills in here or voucher or any paper, so the wallet will keeps its shape for longer period of time. And one more thing that bugging me is the zipper on the outside here, because when I use my bags with the inside leather lining, I'm afraid the zipper here will dent the leather or will make marks there, so I have to put something as a barrier from the back side here to my leather lining of my bag. I know I'm very fussy, but that's just me. So far this wallet is not my favorite wallet yet, because of the size. It's quite bulky for small wallet. At this time I prefer either compact or full size wallet. This one is in between sizes. I haven't really seen a detailed review on this one before I bought it, but anyway, I will make a comparison for you to my other wallets. So now I'm gonna compare this one to my full size wallet. This one is Emily wallet from Louis Vuitton. It's a full size wallet. So the size of the Chanel, it's a little bit bigger than half of the full size wallet, but since it's a small wallet, it tends to look bulkier than the full size wallet. But all inside this Emily fits nicely into this Chanel small wallet. One more thing, the Emily can carry more bills without any shape distortion as this one. So that's with my full size wallet. And now with my Gucci card case, I did a review on this one. I will link the video if you are interested. I use this one as my small wallet slash compact wallet on my smaller bag. So this is how they compare. The Gucci is slightly smaller than the Chanel small wallet. It's slightly less in width and in height, but it can carry just as much as this wallet can. And now compared to my most favorite small compact wallet, this one is Chanel CPO case. It's noticeably smaller than the Gucci one. They have the same width, but it's much more shorter and slimmer, and all in this small wallet. This wallet can carry only the bills has to be folded, that's all, but it can carry as much as this one with no problem. Also this one is the Chanel regular what is that, card case. This one is the smaller one, looks like this, and it also can carry as much as this wallet can. Hit the size comparison. It's definitely smaller, and it can get bulky because it's like a folded wallet like this one. So that's just the size comparison. And with the Soy wallet, this one is very compact and small. Definitely this one cannot carry as much as this one, but just to give you the idea of the size difference, the Soy is significantly smaller than the Chanel small wallet. And this wallet fits nicely into my mini rectangle Chanel bag. Like this, but it takes up quite a lot of space, as you can see here, but it will do, because if you are bringing this one, you don't have to bring extra card case or coin purse, at least in my case. And it also fits into my super mini Gucci. Let me get it for you. This is the Gucci Marmont super mini, and this one fits inside, but it takes almost all the space. But well, just to show you if you are curious. So I think that's all that I want to review here. Hope it helps if you are thinking about this small wallet. I'm not exactly recommend this wallet, because with less you can get this one or this one. It's the same Chanel and they can carry as much, but they are significantly cheaper than this one, and the size is far smaller than this one. So the only downside is you have to fold your bills when you use this smaller compact wallet. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for your time, and hope to see you again soon. Bye guys.
Sometimes